Hi there, this is Darren from Darren's Tech Tutorials. Before we begin, if you could consider hitting the like and subscribe if you do find this video useful, and please do check out my Patreon. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your CentOS machine within Virtualbox so you can SSH in from your host Windows machine. So let me show you here, for example. I have this putty which is on my Windows host VM, and then I have the virtual machine with this IP here. So if I go to try SSH in as you would with lots of machines on the cloud and that, you will get a timeout error. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix that and how you can SSH into CentOS or Red Hat or most other Linux machines on VirtualBox. So we will look at that now. Okay, to get started here, the first thing I'm actually going to do is I'm actually going to power off this machine. So the first thing you'll need to do is power off the VM that you're using. So I will now power this off. Okay, so my machine has actually powered down here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on my virtual machine. I'm going to click settings. I'm going to come down to network, and where it says NAT, I'm going to change this to bridge adapter, and I'm going to press OK. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to power on my VM again. So I'll just pause the video while this is powering on. Okay, so we're back here. So I'm going to log into my VM, and we'll see if we can now connect to it via SSH using an SSH client such as PuTTY. So this should boot up for us momentarily. Okay, great. So we can see it's now booted up. So let me just open the terminal here and let me run ifconfig to get the IP address information. Now you can see we now have a 192.168 address, which is of my home network. So let me just open up PuTTY now and let me see if we can RDP in. So I'm going to type in 192.168.0.137, and of course I mean SSH and not RDP in. Oh, this looks good. I'm being prompted for a login. Let me enter my username and password. Cool, and we're now in. So I can now run commands on my CentOS VM in VirtualBox from SSH. I don't have to interact via the GUI that VirtualBox uses. I do hope that was helpful. If it was, please do like and subscribe, and please consider checking out my Patreon. And if you have any issues, please do comment below, and if I can help, I certainly will. And as always, thank you for watching.